download and update the Revolut app on your phone to the latest version available. Once you ensure that you have no pending updates for the Revolut app on your phone, you will be able to open it up, sign in with your credentials, and access your accounts. In there, click the specific card that you wish to enable contactless payments for. Access the menu and then go into the settings. Within the settings, you should be able to find the contactless payments options under the card security category. Simply select the contactless payments option and make sure it is enabled under card security, and afterwards you need to enable the NFC feature on your phone. It's usually located inside of the connections settings on your phone, but simply look for NFC and make sure it is enabled. If you do not have access to a phone with NFC, this will not work and you will not be able to do contactless transactions on the Revolut app. As long as you have NFC enabled and you turn on contactless payments on the Revolut app, you will be able to use the feature. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay contactless with Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.